Okay, guys, sitting here going to do a little bit of a market replay trading. What we have now at the moment, I've downloaded data for the 13th of January, and currently got a downtrend thing going on here. Let me run this a little further out. All right, then I got 1800 level I'll be concerned about at the moment. So that's what I want to look for, be aware of. So we're trading near the low of the day, downtrend line you can see here, plus you got this area of support here at the 1800. All right, we're going to get the market moving. 6 times speed. I started moving it here because it's almost 9 o'clock, which is typically when I get into the chat room. Get the market moving along here. A little bit of a sideways block. Speed it up a little. Look for a trade. So we're looking for a short entry right now. We have this area right here kind of forming a long block. So might be able to get a block break short. If we move higher than this candle, then I'm going to rule out a block break short. If we move higher than that level. Which we have. So now we're going to look for, let me pause the market here a little bit, slow it down. So now I'm looking for maybe a first break short. Somewhere in the neighborhood of this trend line we have right here. Kind of sloppy looking first break if we get one, but they're seldom textbook. Okay, now we have, notice here we had this doji candle forming right here. You can hardly see it. Right in there, there's a doji candle. All right. So now I'm set for a first break short. I'm close enough to my trend line that I'm likely to turn. If I get filled, I want to get filled probably in this area. So normally I do this in my head, but I want to show you. I'm going to assume I'm going to get filled somewhere like right in here. My stop, I don't want to trade into this resistance. So I want some profit taking by the time I reach this level. So 7 pips. So that's how I expect that trade to work out. If I can even get in, we'll see. All right, get the market moving. If it drops below, I want to be set to short. So I'll be up here. I've got my ATM I'm going to pick. It's going to be set for 10 pips, but I'm only going to target 7. My stop. If we look at these moves upward, I'm pretty comfortable having a stop right in here in this area. Around 85, right above this trend line probably. All right, so we're trading lower, and now what I'm looking for is I'm going to watch my counter count down here. Let me pause it. What this counter is here is this counts the number of ticks in the candle. Now Volman's method is wait till the candle closes before entry. I do it slightly different because I have a habit of jumping the gun, so I wanted to make a way to do it consistently. So when this candle that's currently running has 10 trades left in it before it forms a new candle, the red letters here, 24, that will then turn green. And when it turns green, that's my signal to hit the entry button. It's just how I do it. There's no real advantage probably, but that's just the way I like to do it. All right, so I'm looking for a short. If that stays below that doji, when that turns green, I'm in. All right. So now I'm in the market. Remember, I only want to target 7. I want to be out of this resistance area because as far as I know, this may turn and go back up. I don't know. My target area, I could bring it in here, tighten it up a little bit. Generally, I don't. I like to be more in an area like this. Give the trade plenty of room to work. So currently I have 1 tick in the negative. We're going to speed the market up along. 6 times speed here. All right, now that the trade started moving down, now is the time that I'm going to start tightening this up. And I'm not going to fight this support area if there is, so I want to be out in this area right in here. So currently I've got 2 ticks, 3 ticks, 5. There we go. So at this point I've stopped out for a profit. And drag this over here. All right, that's close enough. So, I got about 7 ticks out of that one, looked like. So that trade went real well. And we're 9 minutes into this video, so I don't have time to really get another one in. But give you an idea, with market replay, now we can start looking for the next setup. We speed up the market as we watch and see what's going to happen. At this point, we've taken our profit, we're out. This may continue down, it may bounce up, we don't know, but I don't want to fight this resistance area. I always want to get out just ahead of resistance in case the market turns. And now I'm happy sitting on the sideline waiting on the next trade setup. Speed it up here a little bit more. All right, so now we've dropped down. New low of the day. Speeding up 30 times speed. A 100 times speed. Oh, now we're really going. Okay. So if we wanted to, we could take this trade here. We've got a block area. Let me grab my block so we can see that. All right. And we're going to go ahead and as we start this, we've got our block, wait on our color change to fire off our short. We don't know how far this one's going to run. I'm going to be real careful on it. So I will try to shoot for 6. See what we get out of this one. If it stays down, turns green, I'm in. I need it to be lower. Need to get it lower below that box. We trade above that box. We're no longer in a block anymore. Speed the market up here and run out of time on this video. Okay, so now you see we've come out of the box, so no longer, this trade here is now scratched. We're not looking for that anymore. We could clean this off the chart if we wanted to, because it no longer matters. And also, if you look, we may have on this trade here, we may have been able to grab a few more pips out of it right here, 13, 14. But we're happy with our 7. We didn't have to fight through all this. We're just sitting back, drinking our coffee, waiting on our good setup, which you see we didn't get one there. Speed the market up again, get it going pretty fast. Got 1 more minute and the video is going to be closed. Still got all this area here. Bears and bulls battling it out. Before finally it looks like it started to break a little bit lower there. Alright, so I think y'all get the idea here with market replay and how it can be useful in practicing your trading. So I'm going to cut this video here now. It's 14 minutes. It's probably longer than anybody cares to sit and watch. So y'all have a good trading weekend and practice this market replay. You can hone your skills right here and it won't cost you a dime. Y'all have a good day.